let's take a moment and actually talk about what the seedling slash germination area is, how it works, and what I have to do to get it ready for plants. So, just like the rest of the system, the seedling and germination area is going to be hydroponics. And what that means is I'm going to have a tank down here that pumps water all the way up to the top here, and it's going to flow through here, down through here, down through here, and then back into this tank. And it's going to constantly recirculate that water. I'm also going to have an air stone in there to ensure that the oxygen saturation is good. But that's the primary thing. And the thing here is it's actually completely separate from this tank here, which runs that system. So it's really two hydroponic systems in one. I'm really close to having it on mine, but there's still a couple key steps that I have to do. I've already run plumbing to this building. Yes, don't judge me for my plumbing skills. I am not a plumber by trade. And so I've got a little line here that runs around the back of the IBC tote. I've got a T that splits, so one was going to help fill this tote to keep it full. The other one runs over here, and I've got a shutoff valve here. I need to run a line and to install a float into this main tank here in order to ensure that this stays full. After that, I have to install the lights in here to ensure that these plants have the lights they need to grow, set up the timers, and then, yeah, start planting. And honestly, what I actually really need to do is I need to figure out what, what fertilizers, I guess, is the way I'd put that. Like, what am I going to include in the water that helps the plants grow? And that's some help that I could use from you guys. Like what I'm going to grow is probably like mustard greens or leafy greens or salad mix greens right now, just to get started. And so what would you use in this? Like, I'd like it to be organic if possible. But like, what would you buy? What would you use? Tell me in the comments.